Hello my dear students, I hope that you all are doing good, and today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 7, comparing quantities for grade 7. Here we will cover main 5 topics, that is simple interest, unitary method, ratio and proportion, percentage and profit loss. Students, actually these all topics will help you not only in the IMO exam, rather in all competitive exams. So let's get started. Simple interest. So students, simple interest is the extra money that you earn or pay for borrowing or lending money over time. Okay. Now formula is SI, means simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100, where P is principal, means initial amount, R is rate of interest per year, and T is time in year. Okay, now we are going to apply this formula and learn how to solve the questions. Now example is Sarah deposit 1000 in a saving account that earned 5% annual interest, and how much interest will she earn in 3 years? So students, here what you have to calculate? Yes, you need to calculate interest, and the formula is right, P into R into T divided by 100. Now on substituting all the values, that is P 1000, R 5, T3 and divided by 100, we got at the end 150 as a simple interest. Amount. Amount is denoted by capital A, and the formula is A is equal to P plus SI, where P is principal, means initial value, and SI is equal to simple interest. Now let's learn more about amount with the help of example. If you have a rupees 1000 as a principal, 5% as interest rate, and time is 2 years, yes, we can calculate the simple interest easily with the help of formula, that is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100, and at the end we got rupees 100 as a simple interest. But if we want to calculate the amount, then formula is A is equal to P plus SI. Now P is 1000 given, simple interest we have calculated, that is 100. So the final amount is 1100. Discount, and I know that everyone has asked for discount once in their lifetime, and you too, let me know in the comment section box. Now let's see the formula, that how to calculate discount. Now discount formula is discount is equal to marked price, means MP, minus selling price, that is SP. Now in the sale you have seen that 20% discount, 30% discount. Now how to going to calculate that percentage? Okay, then discount percentage formula is discount by marked price into 100. Now let's use this formula to know more about discount. Let's see the example. A jacket is originally priced at rupees 80. The store is offering a 25% discount. Now what is the discount and how much will you pay up for the jacket, right? Now in the last two slides we have solved two formulas. So first is discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price into 100, right? From here we need to calculate discount. Now on shuffling the formula, we got 25 into 80 divided by 100 is equal to 20 as a discount. Now the next part of the question is how much will you pay for the jacket. Now the second formula is discount is equal to marked price minus selling price, means you need to calculate here selling price. Again on shuffling we got sale price is equal to original price minus discount amount is equal to 80 minus 20, that is equal to 60. Unitary method. Unitary method means when you find the value of 1 unit, and the formula is value of 1 unit is equal to total value divided by number of units. And the second formula is value of required units is equal to value of 1 unit into required units. Now to understand this formula in better way, let's solve the question. So the example is, if Ram buys 12 banana for 36 rupees, then find the cost of 1 banana, right? So the formula is value of 1 unit is equal to total value divided by number of units, right? Now here total value is given 36 rupees and number of units given 12. So 36 by 12 is equal to 3 rupees. It means cost of 1 banana is equal to 3 rupees. Now the second question come, and it is to find the cost of 15 bananas. Then formula is value of 1 unit, it means 3, and required units are 15. Then 3 into 15 is 45 rupees. So value of required unit is 45 rupees. Ratio and proportion. So students, to understand ratio, let's take the example of your class. Let's say you have 30 children in your class and 1 teacher. Then the ratio of children to student is 30 is to 1, and it always written in the form of P is to Q, means 30 is to 1, okay, or P by Q or 30 by 1, both are equal, okay. Now let's understand proportion. Now proportion is always used to understand the or comparing the two ratios, okay. Now here we have one ratio A by B and second is C by D. If the value of both the ratio is equal, then we can say that A is to B is proportion to C is to D, and here is the sign of proportion sign, right? Now let's understand ratio with the help of example. If there are 4 apples and 8 melons, then the ratio of apple to melons can be written as 4 is to 8 or 4 by 8, right? And when we further simplified as 1 is to 2. Example of proportion. Here we have two ratios. One is 1 by 3 and second is 2 by 6, right? Now we can see that 2 by 6 is also can be written as 1 by 3. So our 1 out of 3 is equal to 2 out of 6. Both the ratios are equal, so that we can say that both are in proportion. Percentage. Percentage is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100, and it is denoted by this sign, right? Now the formulas is percentage is equal to part divided by whole into 100. Next is to convert fraction into percentage, then percentage is equal to numerator divided by denominator into 100, and third is to convert a decimal into percentage, then percentage is equal to decimal into 100. Now students, let's understand all these formulas with the help of example. First example is, during second period, Martina completed a grammar worksheet. She got 14 out of 56 questions correct. Then what percentage did Martina get correct? So students, here let's apply the formula, that is percentage is equal to part divided by whole into 100. Here part is 14 and total are 56 questions. Then after applying the formula, we got percentage is equal to 14 divided by 56 into 100, that is 25%. It means Martina got 25% questions correct. Example 2 of percentage. Imagine you are at a pizza party and there are 8 slices of pizza. You eat 3 slices, and what percentage of the pizza did you eat? So the formula is percentage is equal to numerator divided by denominator into 100. So here the numerator is 3 and denominator is 8 into 100. We got 37.5% answer. So how much you eat? You eat 37.5%. Let's say you have the decimal 0.85 and you need to convert into percentage. It's very simple. Just multiply by 100. So we will get 0.85 into 100, that is 85%. Profit and loss. So students, let's understand these terms one by one. So first is profit. Okay, let's take one example. Let's say you have purchased one pencil cost rupees 10 and you have sell it to your friend at the cost of 15. Yes, you made a profit of rupees 5. So the formula is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Here selling price is what? 15 and cost price is 10. So the profit is 15 minus 10 is rupees 5. Now next is loss. Let's take other example. Let's say you bought a beautiful dress of rupees 800 and now you need to sell for any reason at the cost of 600. Yes, you made a loss here and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. The cost price of the dress is 800 and you sold it at a price of 200. So 800 minus 600 is 200. That is loss, right? Now students, next is in some cases if you need to find profit percentage, then it's very simple. That is profit divided by cost price into 100. And next is loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to again loss divided by cost price into 100. So students, we can say that cost price is the price at which you bought the item and selling price is the price at which you sold the item. If selling price is greater than cost price, then profit, and if selling price is less than cost price, then it's a loss. A shopkeeper buys a bicycle of rupees 150 and sell it for rupees 200. What is the profit? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, right? Then SP minus CP. SP is 200, CP is 150. Therefore, he made a profit of rupees 50. And if we need to calculate the profit percentage, then formula is profit divided by cost price into 100. Then it is like 50 divided by 150 into 100, that is in the form of percentage he made a profit of 75%. Next example is a shopkeeper buys juice can in bulk of rupees 30 each. He sells them for rupees 20 each. Calculate the loss and the loss percentage. So students, here the formula is loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, right? So here it is loss is equal to rupees 30 minus 20 is equal to rupees 10. And how to calculate loss percentage? Then formula is loss divided by cost price into 100 and it is like 10 by 30 into 100, that is 33.33%. So students, sometime the question may like to find the selling price if the cost price and profit or loss percent is given, then you can use the formula like SP means selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent in bracket divided by 100 into CP, right? And if loss percent is given, then formula is like 100 minus loss percent in bracket divided by 100 into CP. Let's understand with help of example. So the example is find the selling price of an article for which cost price is 750 and gain percent is 8% given. Simple. Write the formula first, that is selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent into 100 into CP that we have seen in the last slide. Then substituting the value 100 as it is. Profit percent is given, that is 8, divided by 100 into 750. On calculating, we got 8110, means 810 as a selling price. And when loss percent is given, then selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent in bracket divided by 100 into CP. And second condition is when you need to find cost price when selling price and profit or loss percent is given, then you can use the formula, that is CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. And second is when loss percent is given, that is CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus L percent, means loss percent, into SP. Students, these formulas are so easy. Just substitute the value and get the final answer. My dear students, now do revise and start making notes of all these formulas and keep sharing with your friends, because sharing is caring. Now we'll see you in the next video with the practice questions of comparing quantities. Till then, goodbye.